Hello kids, let's draw some 2D shapes. Heart. We are drawing heart. What is this? This is good heart. Okay, it's a heart. Triangle. We are drawing triangle. It's a triangle. Hexagon. We are drawing hexagon. Hexagon. A star. We are drawing a star. A star. A square. We are drawing a square. It's a square. Circle. What is this? It's a circle. Now learn some colors. Look at this. It's a very nice and cute color. Looking so cute. Okay, let's learn. Green color. First green color. Orange color. Purple color. Yellow green color. Red color. Sky blue color. Blue color. Pastel yellow color. Pastel yellow color. First green color. First green color. Canada yellow color. Canada yellow color. Vivid green color. Vivid green color. Natural oak color. Natural oak color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon, star, square, circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.